Thank you for tuning into Athens, Georgia weather. I'm student meteorologist Karissa Chilcote. And while we're seeing lots of sun in the sky, look, there's no clouds over Sanford Stadium. We aren't very warm. Our current temperature is only 66 degrees, but it is feeling nice and like fall, so we're appreciating it a little bit. Across our viewing area, we do see a temperature spread of 10 degrees between Washington and Elbert to Lawrenceville and Gainesville. Those are our cooler side of the temperatures, and we're still in the relatively same air mass, so we're all feeling these fall-like temperatures and really not too far away from normal for this time of year. Our visible satellite shows that we have had those clouds push out of Georgia. We did have those showers overnight, and now we're left with some dry air. Our water vapor imagery shows us where that dry air is. So this yellow and orange, that's where that dry air is. The moisture air is this blue up in the Midwest. So we're going to see that blue moist air pushing into our area over the weekend. So we're going to see some clouds and some chances of rain as well. But we're enjoying that dry air for now. Our almanac shows that yesterday we were a little bit warmer than average for this time of year, but we're going to continue seeing those average temperatures over the next coming days. So our low tonight will be 46 degrees. So it's not going to be like last night when you woke up and it actually got colder as the day went on in those early morning hours. So our low is going to be typical, normal, 46 degrees. So it will be colder than it felt this morning. Our high tomorrow is going to be 74 degrees. It's going to be really nice and warm and right around our average for this time of year as well. Our 3-day forecast shows that we do see an increasing chance of rain and clouds. Saturday, 20% chance of rain for when we have our away game against the Gators. So luckily it isn't a home game, so we're not going to have that chance of rain to wash us out. But however, Sunday we do see a higher chance of rain, 60% chance of rain on Sunday and then 40 on Monday. So we are going to keep our eye out for that, but it's not going to be a washout. Our temperatures for the week are going to remain in the upper 60s and the lower 70s. Thank you for watching. I'm Karissa Chilcote.